Hi guys, good day to you guys. I have a good news for you that have been asking, please, what can I use in replacement of booster or Oshapra water to make mulatto soup? What can I add to my mulatto soup to make it more stronger without adding serums that will change the color? Okay, so this shower gel I want to introduce to you now is a booster, and not only for activating your mulatto soap, it also helps to whitening up your skin alone. So if you have a tough skin, you need a shower gel that can help to whiten up your skin. You need to watch this video to the end, okay, to know the advantage and disadvantage of this shower gel. Okay, hi guys, if today's the first time of stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. And guys, we have a lot of videos to share on this channel, and we upload video on the channel every day. So if you just start a skincare business and you need that channel that will keep you updated, you know, with genuine recipes, this is this channel. Okay, that is why I upload video every day. Like I said to you guys, my purpose of creating or having accounts on YouTube is just to enlighten people more. I love it when people get a lot from me. Like, I don't mind if I get from you or not, but I love it when people get a lot from me. So that is just it. I love you guys with passion. Okay, so if you're just stopping by, you're highly welcome. You're not going anywhere. You guys subscribe. We die here. You guys to subscribe, smash the like button of this video, share with your friends and family, and feel free to request for any video you want me to make for you, and I'm gonna do that. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe, and most of it all, turn on your post notification so YouTube will let you know each time we upload a video. Okay, so I have an amazing shower gel with me that you can use to whiten up your skin. Guys, this shower gel is capable of giving you 3 shades lighter, okay, depending on how you use them. The problem we have is that sometimes we don't know how to use a good product so it can give us a good result. Okay, so that's why a product that others are using and it's working for them, when you're using it, it doesn't work for you. Apart from you having a stubborn skin, yeah, you must use it in a wrong way. Okay, so that's just it. So this shower gel I have here with me helps a lot to whitening up your skin. So if it's top one whitening shower gel we have, you can make a research about it. So this shower gel now, if they count whitening shower gel, is among. Okay, so I just think you are very lucky for watching this video. Okay, so if you really need a shower gel you can use to whitening up your skin in a healthy way and get a spotless and glowing skin, you need to watch this video to the end. Okay, so the shower gel I have here with me is, yeah, I know most of you know about it, but this video you need to watch because I'm gonna give you a lot of details you don't know about this shower gel. Okay, which is Pure Egyptian Super Bleaching Shower Gel. Okay, this is it. And guys, this shower gel have different colors. Okay, it has different colors. I think is 4 colors or 3 colors. Okay, and guys, believe me, different colors and different works. Believe me when I say so. Different colors and different works. I have made more and more you know, research about this. I have used and see different between them, right? So this shower gel, guys, is a strong whitening, no doubt. And let me first talk about mulatto soap. So if your mulatto soap is not active, after making your mulatto soap is not always active, maybe because of what you use, or you don't want to use a booster, a normal booster we make, or Osha proper water, you can use this. But let me just tell you the truth, guys, a booster or mulatto soap is more active to compare this. Okay, it's just option. If you cannot get a booster or Osha proper water, you can go for this, but just know that you cannot use this to compare when you use a booster or Osha proper water on your mulatto soap. This shower gel helps a lot to whitening up your skin, fade away dark spots, and you know, give you this glowing skin. Just that the disadvantage of this shower gel, guys, as a hot chocolate skin, if you are to use this shower gel, guys, it's gonna bleach you. You notice that your skin brightening, but not all over your skin. It's gonna give you an evil skin tone, okay? But if you're for skin type and you know need a product or a soap that can whitening up your skin more, you can go ahead with this pure Egyptian bleaching shower gel. And that's why they said bleaching. Guys, quote me anywhere, quote me anywhere, any product you see bleaching, just know that that product is perfectly active. Any product you see bleaching, don't, like, that product is no go area. It's a very active whitening product, okay? Just believe me when I say so, because I know what I'm saying. Like, I keep trying and trying and trying to make sure that nobody's perfect, most especially in business, but at least close to perfect, okay? And it's working for me. As a skincare formulator, guys, you need to take a lot of risk. You need to waste your money. You need to try this, you need to try that, so that when you're talking about it, you can talk about it boldly. And if someone were to try it just because you said so, the person will come back to you giving you a good review. That is when you know that you're coming up in your business. Most especially when it has to do with someone's skin, you just have to make a lot of research, try it by yourself, waste your money and all that. That is what it takes, okay? It's not just you after you see this review, you try, you see that, you try, you don't make research about yourself. It's very, very important. Just take note, okay? So this shower gel, if you want a whitening, but please not a very dark skin, okay? Because it's gonna react on your skin a little. I have gotten a lot of reviews like that, okay, when I talked about it before. So this has a different colors, and guys, the one I love most is this one, this carrot one. I love this one so much because it's very, very active. And another one that is more active than this is the gold one. Guys, that gold one is no go area. That gold one is no go area. Some people be like, because it's gold, therefore it's for hot chocolate skin. La yo, my sister, if you are dark, it's manageable, you go for this than you go for that gold one. That gold one is no go area. If you notice, I use it to make my whitening shower gel. That is to see how effective it is. So my sister, don't be deceived because of the color, okay? So that gold one is extremely active. But the reason why I cannot recommend or tell you to use it on your mulatto soap, because yeah, it's not going to give you a nice color. That is just it, okay? And this is a carrot. Do you understand? So you can go ahead and try this on your mulatto soap, and it's not going to change color. And you can go ahead to use this direct to your skin if you want to whitening up your skin. And guys, remember, we have a training coming up next month. In that class, we're going to teach you how to make base cream from scratch, how to make a face cream from scratch, half cast face cream from scratch, how to make a shower gel, how to make 5 shade lighter lotions, oils and all that. Guys, our base cream training is 100,000, but this class comes with our base cream training and it's just 50,000 naira. Guys, if you don't have the money, you can pay twice before the training starts, okay? And I promise you guys, you're not going to regret training with us. You're not going to regret, most especially that training. Guys, making your own base from scratch is excellent. Everything is good about it. There is no disadvantage. Like you making your own base from scratch, there is no disadvantage, okay? So that is the more reason you need to participate, okay? And guys, we have our base available. We have our base from 1 kg, 5 kg, 500 ml, okay? So you can use your hand to activate it. It's not the one you will get, you say, precious, the base is giving me. No, it's raw organic base. So you can use your hand to activate it for pink lip balm, for half cast lotion, for face cream, for anything, for hot chocolate. You just activate it the way you want. And everything you put there, if you really trust those things you added inside, just believe me, your product is perfectly good. you're gonna get a lot of good review. Okay, so we have them available if you want to purchase from us. Okay, remember, it's a raw organic base from scratch. Just use your hand to do with it whatever you want to do with it. Okay, and concerning this shower gel, guys, I am giving you 1 million sure about this shower gel if you want to use it to make your mulatto. So but remember as well that you can't not use this to compare a booster and osha pepper water together to make your mulatto soap. The effectiveness is going to be more than this one here. Okay, I love it when I explain things, and I love it when you understand me. So if there's any other products you want me to make a review about, if there's any products you want me to produce, if there's anything you want me to do for you, feel free to ask on the comment section. So you guys know I love you. I want the best for you guys because you guys are doing well. You guys, because I discovered that this country, once it's brown, they'll say a brown is for brown, pink for the pink, red for the red. It's a lie, you. Okay, so see you on my next video. Make sure you smash the like button on this video. No, yeah, just do it now. Do it. Smash the like button and share it with your friends and family. Most of it all, turn on your post notification. Okay, love you guys.